Chapter 8, Estimation or Rounding Numbers. In our daily life, we come across situations where we do not know the exact answer to some quantities. We give an answer which has been rounded off to nearest tens, hundreds, or thousands. This is called estimation or round off. To round off a number, certain rules are needed. We will learn the rules with the help of this rounding rhyme. So let us recite the rhyme. Underline the digit, look next door. If it's 5 or greater, add one more. And if it's less than 5, leave it for sure. Everything after is a zero, not more. Now we will solve some examples with the help of the poem. So here I am going to round off 73 and 30,607 to the nearest 10. So let us see what we will do first. According to the poem, we will underline the number at tens place, that is 7 of 73 and 0 of 30,607. Now, according to the second line of the poem, circle the next door neighbor or the next number, that is at ones place, means circle 3 of 73 and 7 of 30,607. Now we will decide whether the underlined digit stays same or goes up by adding 1 using the circle digit. Let us repeat the poem. 5 or greater, add 1 more. Less than 5, leave it for sure. So 73 will be rounded off to 70 as the circle digit, that is 3, is less than 5. And 30,607 will be rounded off to 30,610 as the circle digit, that is 7, is above 5. मतलब अंडरलाइन डिजिट तभी चेंज होगा जब आपका सर्कल डिजिट 5 से बड़ा है. अगर वह 0 से लेके 5 के बीच में है तो आपके अंडरलाइन डिजिट में कोई चेंज नहीं आता है. तो इस तरीके से 73 राउंड ऑफ होकर 70 बन जाएगा और 30,607 राउंड ऑफ होकर 30,610 बन जाएगा. इट मीन्स we will use the terms round up and round down to round off a number. Let us understand the concept of estimation with the help of some more examples. As you can see, now I am going to estimate so many numbers. So, according to the first step, we will underline the tens digit of all the numbers as we are going to round off to the nearest tens. According to the second line of the poem, we will find out the next neighbor number, that is at ones place, and we will circle it. So, I have circled all the ones place number or neighbor numbers. Let us repeat the poem to round up or round down. 4 or less, just ignore. 5 or more, add 1 more. Means if the ones place numbers or digits are less than 5, the tens place digits or underlined digits will not be changed. But if the ones place digit are more than 5 or then we will add 1 to the tens place digit. And accordingly we will write the new numbers by changing all the digits after the underlined digit to zeros. To round off the numbers to the nearest 100, the rules will be same. But this time you will underline the digits at hundreds place and circle the digits that is at tens place, as we are going to round off to nearest 100. So in the given examples, we will underline all the digits that are on hundreds place and circle all the tens place digits. Now with the help of circle digit, we will round up or down. And finally, we will write the new numbers by changing all the numbers after the underlined digits to the 0. Again, we will follow the same rules to round off the number to the nearest 1000. This time, we will underline all the digits that are at thousands place and circle the neighbor numbers. It means the numbers or the digits that are at hundreds place, we will circle them. Now, with the help of digits, we will find out whether the numbers will be round off or not. It means if the circle digits are between 0 to 4, the underlined digit will be round down. And if the circle digits are between 5 to 9, the underlined digit will be round up. So we will write the new numbers by changing all the numbers after the underlined digit to zeros. So let us recapitulate what we have learned with the help of this video. Obviously, we have learned how to estimate or round off the numbers up and down with the help of rounding rhyme. You can round off a number in a very simple way by following 4 steps only. These steps are underline, then circle, after that decide up or down, and then replace the digits after the underlined digits to the zero. Thank you.